Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to easily back up and restore Windows drivers with just one click. We'll do this using Command Prompt with administrator privileges. First, let's back up our drivers using this command. I'll include these command files in the description box for easy access. We'll need to specify a folder path where the drivers will be exported. So, I'll create a new folder named Drivers on my E drive, and then copy the folder path. Next, carefully paste the folder path inside the double quotation marks. Next, copy the command. Then, search for CMD in the Windows search bar and run Command Prompt as an administrator. Simply right-click in the Command Prompt window to paste the command, then hit Enter. Wait for a moment while all the drivers are exported to the destination folder. As you can see, our drivers are now saved in this folder. Now, when it's time to restore our drivers, whether due to updates or a fresh Windows installation, follow these steps. To restore the drivers, we'll run this command. But first, we just need to specify the path of the drivers folder. To do this, copy the folder path and paste it inside the double quotation marks. Now our restore command is ready to run. Just like before, open the command prompt as an admin. Paste the command and hit Enter. The drivers have been successfully installed on our machine without any issues. You may need to reboot your system once the restore is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.